Hello my old school soul food family, Chef Jeffrey back with another video. Hey y'all, I'm gonna do a small video today. This is nothing really fancy. I'm gonna make my tuna that I usually keep in my fridge pretty much on a weekly or bi-weekly basis. I love tuna fish because it's a snack I can go to when I'm watching TV or whatever. I got my Ritz crackers. Sometimes I make a sandwich with it, but most of the time I just use it for snacking. I buy the 12 pack here that you get at Sam's right here, and this is what I do. I mean, this is you can make tuna 1,000 different ways, and I'm gonna show you the way I make mine. Very simple. All I do, I take 6 cans of tuna. I give me about 3 boiled eggs. Matter of fact, let me pour it in the bowl here. I drain it first, y'all. I'm sorry, I drain it first. I drain the oil out of it. Let me get this down. I just made a mess. I drain the oil first off the tuna. And I take I take 3 boiled eggs, a half an onion. I dice it really small. I don't like the taste of the onion. So I dice it really small onion. So I got 3 boiled eggs in here chopped up. A half an onion diced up. I use a little sweet relish. I like a lot of sweet relish in mine. What is that? A couple of tablespoons. And then some mayonnaise, Hellman's mayonnaise. Maybe about 3 tablespoons of that. Now mix it up, y'all. That's all. You can put apples in this if you want to. I don't. I'm gonna put some little salt and pepper in it. And I like mine, and then I put it in the refrigerator. I like mine really loose like this. You can put, this is the way I like mine, y'all. And I put on the Ritz cracker and I eat it. Put a little salt and pepper, not much. Don't take much, you know, tuna salty in the first place. And this is all I do to it, y'all. I'm gonna taste it, make sure it's good and seasoned. Okay, let's taste it here. Let's taste it here. Let's see what we got. In fact, I need a little bit more salt and pepper. A little more salt and pepper in it. That's it, y'all. That's my tuna. I always have tuna in my refrigerator because what I do, show you how I eat it. This is my snack, my go-to when I'm relaxing or whatever. I always have tuna. That's why I buy it at Sam's, the big 12 pack. You get more for your buck, bang for your buck. And all I do, y'all, put on my Ritz cracker. Sometimes make a sandwich. Most times that's how I eat it. That's it. But the key is, I put it in the refrigerator and let it firm up. Well, this is going to firm up. As I put it in the refrigerator, it gets cold, ice cold, it's going to firm up. So, yeah, I just want to share that little video with y'all. How I make my tuna salad. Nothing really fancy. Nothing, like I say, there's 1,000 different ways to make tuna. Mine's very simple. I don't put nothing crazy in it. Like I said, I might put some Granny Smith apples in it sometime, but normally that's all I do to it. So anyway, this video lasted less than 5 minutes, y'all. I put that together in less than 5. Why I make tuna all the time. The longest part is boiling the egg, but putting it together is nothing. So anyway, I'm gonna close a little short video out. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe, please follow my other social media accounts, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food Day. Remember the hashtag, help somebody Old School Soul Food 2021. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food Day. I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.